Hello, poor boy here. I'm going to talk to you about a knife. Um, okay, they used to come in these. Gun shows, you could order them, whatever. Rob Dalton. Some of these are familiar with Rob Dalton knives and some of these aren't. It's just a little red knife. Little girly looking knife. Whoa. So these are handmade. I think these were from around 97. I believe it was about 1997. It's this is the shape that people are calling the Navy SEAL. I don't know, that style switchblades. They call it the Navy SEAL switchblades, Navy SEAL knives. This one, it's got a pocket clip, non-serrated blade. It is marked USA. You're not going to see that. It's marked USA. She's got a lot of kick. Man. If you look at the back of the blade, it's very thick. It's a real thick blade. She's got a lot of kick. These are handmade, Rob Dalton. Custom knife maker from about, I think this was supposed to be from 97. It's got the little marking on the blade. Some of them had that. You know, it's hollow, no back, so nothing gets caught up in there. Yeah. Blade probably looks about 3/16 of an inch or something. It's got a strong spring. Holy cow. She kicks right open. That's it. Nice short video. They used to be distributed in these, I guess. I'm no expert. Not on the Daltons. Wish I was. This is Poor Boy. Poor Boy YouTube. Check us out. If you like it, please give us a few likes, shares, subscribe. You can join our other clubs on Facebook, our groups. Poor Boy Weapons. Poor Boy Edged Weapons. Tactical Knives. Poor Boy Prepping and Bug Out. Poor Boy, over and out.